sweetie. Oh, honey, you've got something on your face.
Mom!
Way to go, Jake! Good job, buddy! You got this! Go, Slugger! Yeah!
Mom!
Did you brush your teeth? Did you really brush your teeth? Let me smell your breath.
Mom!
Okay, Jake, honey, this is the only thing I can find, all right?
Mom!
Yeah, it's a compound fracture.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. You're gonna be okay.
Mom?
Well, you have a good set of crutches?
Seriously, Jake, what am I going to do with you?
Mom.
Hi, Jake.
Hi.
Ooh, she's really cute.
Mom.
Mom?
Mom.
Jake, sit up straight, honey.
Mom.
Mom! Mom!
Mom.
Hi, you look so handsome. I'm so proud of you. You've got something on your face.
Mom.